Next, let us take a quick look at the fundamental principles of the law of evidence. Now, fundamental principles mean the core ideas or the foundation that evidence law is built upon. The first one is relevance. The evidence must be logically connected to the fact that it is trying to prove. In other words, the evidence should matter to the case. For example, in a car accident case, evidence that the driver was using a mobile phone while driving is relevant to show negligence, whereas evidence about the driver's favorite food is irrelevant. The second principle is admissibility. Even if some evidence is relevant, it must be legally allowed or admissible to be presented in the court. There are rules about what evidence is acceptable and what is not. For example, a confession, if it has been obtained through torture, even if it is relevant, is not admissible in court. The third principle is burden of proof, which determines who is responsible for proving their version of events. Generally, in criminal cases, the prosecution must prove that the accused is guilty, whereas in civil cases, the claimant or the litigant must prove their claim. If you look at how the BSA is structured, it broadly follows the same fundamental principles. Sections 3 to 50 cover the relevancy of facts. Sections 54 to 103 cover the admissibility of evidence. And sections 104 to 120 cover the burden of proof.